If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Are you an affiliate marketer promoting a bunch of products? Do you ever wonder where your clicks are coming from? Well, wonder no more. Introducing ClickMagick, the affiliate marketer's #1 go-to tracking system. Now you can track and optimize all your marketing, all in one place. And the best thing about ClickMagick is that it works everywhere you advertise online. Unlike with most other trackers, ClickMagick allows you to easily track your entire marketing funnels. Starting with the first opt-in, all the way to the last upsell or downsell. It can even track clicks from your follow-up emails and attribute any resulting actions or sales to the proper sales funnel, giving you the most accurate stats possible. ClickMagick is by far the most accurate, fun and simple way to track your clicks, with all the advanced features you'll ever need. ClickMagick is 100% web-based with nothing to install. You'll never have to worry about hosting problems, database corruption, server crashes or upgrade glitches like you will with a self-hosted tracking script. ClickMagick lives in the cloud and was designed to be infinitely scalable, resulting in lightning-fast click processing and reporting. With ClickMagick, all the info you need to optimize your business is just a click or two away. With ClickMagick you can easily track all your ads. Easily track entire sales funnels. ClickMagick is very easy to use and offers a ton of features to help streamline your business. With ClickMagick, all of your stats and reports are real-time and 100% accurate. ClickMagick has dozens of profit-boosting features you just can't get from Google Analytics. Things like the ability to easily track entire sales funnels. Easy to use, real-time stats and reports. Automated A/B split testing. Effortless conversion tracking of any goal or sale. The ability to track affiliate promotions. Lightning-fast link redirects. Intelligent link rotators. The ability to add retargeting pixels to any link. Geo-targeting and mobile filtering. Google Analytics compatible. 24/7 click fraud and link monitoring. Bulletproof link cloaking. Traffic quality analysis. Custom tracking domains. Automatic bot filtering, and so much more. ClickMagick will without a doubt simplify your business and increase your online profits. Link to the product mentioned in this video can be found below in the description. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.